mag-sugar glider kapon.
Oo nga, ikaw lang ginano ng sugar glide, be. Sa akin, nasa ulo ko lang. They have pineapple and mango. This is the tarsier I brought from Lubok. Tarsier with dimple. Can I see?
Tarsier.
The tarsier from Lubok. Fake naman yun.